Today, we're diving into the world of clean floors and effortless home maintenance with a look at the top 4 best robot vacuum cleaners of 2025. Whether you're rocking a studio apartment or a sprawling multi-level home, finding the right robot vacuum cleaner can feel like a quest for the holy grail of cleaning appliances. But don't worry, we've done the heavy lifting for you, testing and analyzing the latest and greatest vacuum cleaners on the market to bring you the definitive list of the top contenders. So, if you're ready to ditch the dustpan and step into a world of effortless cleaning, stick around. As always, the links for each product is in the description below. Now let's get right into it. First up, we're kicking things off with a true titan in the world of robot vacuums, the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra. Now this isn't just your average Roomba, guys, this is like the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums, packing some serious tech and features that are sure to impress even the most discerning clean freak. One of the standout features of the S8 Max V Ultra is its advanced navigation system. This thing doesn't just bump around your house like a drunken Roomba, it uses AI-powered obstacle avoidance and LiDAR mapping to create a detailed map of your home and navigate it with pinpoint accuracy. And trust me, this thing is smart. It can differentiate between obstacles like furniture, walls, and even pet accidents, so you don't have to worry about it dragging any unwanted surprises around your house. But it's not just about smarts. This vacuum packs some serious suction power. We're talking about 6,000 PA of hyperforce suction that can pick up everything from dust bunnies to stray Cheerios with ease. And the best part, it even empties its own dustbin. That's right, this thing is basically a self-cleaning cleaning machine. It automatically empties its dustbin into a larger base station that can hold up to 7 weeks worth of dirt and debris, so you can literally set it and forget it. But of course, all this tech and convenience comes at a price. The Roborock S8 Max V Ultra is definitely an investment, with a price tag that might make your wallet weep a little. And let's be real, it's not exactly whisper quiet either. You'll definitely hear it doing its thing, especially when it's in max power mode, but if you're looking for the absolute best of the best in robot vacuum technology and you're willing to shell out the big bucks, the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra is in a league of its own. Next up, we have a contender that's all about versatility, the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. This innovative device is a true hybrid, seamlessly switching between vacuuming and mopping modes to tackle even the most stubborn messes. Imagine this, you're hosting a dinner party and someone spills red wine on your pristine white rug. Don't panic. The Roomba Combo J9 Plus swoops in, vacuums up the initial spill, and then switches to mopping mode to tackle any lingering stains. It's like having a personal cleaning crew at your beck and call. One of the things that sets the Combo J9 Plus apart is its smart mapping technology. Like the Roborock, it uses sensors and software to create a detailed map of your home, but it takes things a step further with its Imprint smart mapping system. This allows you to customize cleaning zones, set virtual boundaries, and even schedule cleanings for specific rooms or areas. And let's talk about user-friendliness. The Combo J9 Plus is incredibly intuitive to use, with a simple app interface that lets you control everything from cleaning schedules to water flow for mopping. It's basically foolproof, even for the most tech-challenged individuals. However, no device is perfect, and the Combo J9 Plus does have a couple of minor drawbacks. Battery life, while decent, isn't quite as impressive as some other models on the market. You'll likely need to charge it after cleaning a larger home. And like any appliance with moving parts, it does require regular maintenance. You'll need to clean the brushes, empty the dustbin, and refill the water tank periodically to keep it running smoothly. But overall, the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and user-friendly cleaning solution that can handle both vacuuming and mopping with ease. Let's talk about a challenge that pet owners know all too well: pet hair. It's everywhere, on your floors, your furniture, and sometimes even floating through the air. Enter the iRobot Roomba J7, the pet hair annihilator. This robot vacuum is designed specifically to tackle the unique challenges that come with owning pets. One of the standout features of the Roomba J7 is its self-emptying dustbin. You heard that right. This vacuum not only cleans your home but also empties itself into a bagless base that holds up to a month's worth of dirt and hair. Imagine not having to think about vacuuming or emptying the dustbin for weeks at a time. It's a game changer for busy pet owners. But what really sets the Roomba J7 apart is its powerful suction and advanced navigation system. This vacuum is designed to pick up pet hair without the annoying hair wrap that plagues so many other models. Whether you have a shedding Labrador or a fluffy Persian cat, the Roomba J7 can handle it with ease. And let's not forget about its smart navigation. The Roomba J7 uses advanced mapping technology to methodically clean your home, ensuring that no spot is missed. You can even set up virtual boundaries and no-go zones using the iRobot app, so you have complete control over where and when your vacuum cleans. However, like any device, the Roomba J7 has its downsides. Its navigation system, while advanced, can sometimes struggle in homes with a lot of obstacles. And while its self-emptying feature is incredibly convenient, it does add to the overall cost of the unit. But if you're a pet owner looking for a vacuum that can truly keep up with your furry friends, the iRobot Roomba J7 is a solid investment. In summary, the iRobot Roomba J7 is a powerful and convenient solution for anyone dealing with pet hair. Its self-emptying base, strong suction, and advanced navigation make it a standout choice for pet owners. So, if you're tired of battling pet hair on your own, let the iRobot Roomba J7 do the heavy lifting for you. Now let's dive into a vacuum cleaner that offers exceptional value. The absolute powerhouse, aka UFi X10 Pro Omni. This vacuum is perfect for those who want a reliable cleaning companion. First up, let's talk about its sleek and slim design. The UFi X10 Pro Omni stands at just 2.85 inches tall, making it one of the slimmest robot vacuums on the market. This low profile allows it to easily glide under furniture and other hard-to-reach areas, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The UFi X10 Pro Omni boasts powerful suction, which is more than enough to handle everyday dirt, dust, and debris. Plus, it operates quietly, so you can go about your day without being disturbed by a noisy vacuum. One of the standout features of the UFi X10 Pro Omni is its versatile cleaning modes. These smart modes allow it to tackle all types of floors, from hardwood to carpets, ensuring that your home is always clean and fresh. The UFi X10 Pro Omni also comes with a triple filter system, including a high-performance filter, which helps to capture fine dust particles and allergens. This makes it a great choice for households with allergy sufferers. Battery life is another area where the UFi X10 Pro Omni shines. It offers a long-lasting battery, allowing you to clean larger areas without needing to recharge, and when the battery runs low, the vacuum automatically returns to its charging dock to power up. For those who have allergies or pets, prioritize reliability, and don't mind the price, this vacuum is a fantastic option. In summary, the UFi X10 Pro Omni is an absolute powerhouse of a robot vacuum cleaner that delivers impressive cleaning performance. Its slim design, powerful suction, and smart features make it a solid choice for anyone looking to keep their home clean without any stress. So if you're looking for a reliable robot vacuum with a smooth design, the UFi X10 Pro Omni might just be the perfect fit for you. And there you have it, the top 4 best vacuum cleaners of 2025. From the self-emptying marvel of the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra to the pet hair-annihilating power of the iRobot Roomba J7, there's a vacuum cleaner out there for every need and budget. Ultimately, the best vacuum cleaner for you will depend on your individual needs and priorities. Consider factors like the size of your home, the type of flooring you have, whether you have pets, and of course, your budget. Don't be afraid to invest in a quality appliance that will make your life easier and your home cleaner for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more product reviews and comparisons, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. See you in the next video.